Welcome back to the channel and to another Mini. This time we have the Mini Cooper S. It's a 2017 model. It's in metallic grey. It's a 2-litre petrol with 189 brake horsepower, 6-speed manual gearbox, and just covered over 74,000 miles. It does have 2 previous owners, MOT till the end of June this year, so once it's all fixed I will be putting a new full year MOT on it. I have bought this car as a non-runner, but it does not say why. It just says accident, so I'll be doing my full checks on the engine and repair or replace any broken parts as necessary. Moving on to the inside, all the interior will be removed and fully valeted. Being the Cooper S, it comes with such features as remote central locking, electric windows front and rear, electric mirrors, power steering, air conditioning, automatic headlights, automatic wipers, cruise control, speed limit, and the usual infotainment system. Any questions about this Mini or any of my other builds, do leave a comment below, or you can contact me on c96freebuilds@gmail.com. Do subscribe to the channel if you've not done so already, so you'll be the first to see all updates on this Mini and all my other builds. And the next one up will be a 2017 DS3, which is a Cat S rear damage. So keep an eye out for that, and as always I do thank you for taking the time to watch these videos, and I'll see you soon in the next one.